Yeah, we want to give you the latest, as you said here. This is the Crandon Park Marina here. You see the fire rescue vehicles, and you'll see some police boats and stuff at the lower right-hand corner of the screen. Everybody kind of gathering here at the command post, waiting for 23 people on board a boat. That boat right now is stopped. That's a Customs Border Patrol boat, and it's over here. And it's right in here. Let me see. There you go, right there. Those folks are on board. They've been given water and being taken care of by the Customs and Border Patrol officials that are on board that boat. They are now meeting up with another vessel, and that's going to be the Coast Guard here. We believe that these folks are going to be handed over to the Coast Guard to be taken back to their the location that they left originally. We've got some video we want to show you. It started around 3:30 when a lifeguard on Crandon Beach saw a boat pull up and a bunch of people get off the boat and walk towards shore and then just kind of disappear, some into the mangroves, some into the parking lot there at Crandon Park. Some of them went across the street to the tennis center. Miami-Dade police responded out here. The first one's here, and they spotted some people walking along the side of the road. They did take a number of people into custody. We counted a total of 8, those people, and then we saw some more down to 200 Crandon Park Boulevard. There was another group down there. So a total of 27 people have made it to either shore or into the custody of the authorities here. Let's go to the second piece of video there. I believe it's going to be some folks on board a boat, and that's the boat that we were talking about earlier. That's the one right there. That's one of the Border Patrol boats there that picked up those people. They counted 23 people, including a bunch of children. They all appeared to be in pretty good condition. Initially, the reports were that these people were Haitians. We're working to confirm that, but we've heard it several times now that they're Haitians. Coast Guard is here on the scene. And our last piece of video, our video clip, is going to show you a mother and a child being taken off a boat here at the command post. That boat came into shore here just a short time ago. They took the woman off, and she was taken to an ambulance, and she's going to be getting some medical treatment. Back out, please, to our live picture here. You see now that the Coast Guard has made it up there with the other vessel there. They're going to be taking some reports and some information, and of course, as soon as we get more, we'll get it back to you. That's our story here in Skyforce HD.